Dude, all three of us were about to just collectively shit on them. That's funny.
Because these little freaking stupid
Little
head
ankle
camping.
biters.
No, not even that. He's just stupid.
How does he turn around? How does this man his head around? Just what the how? Dude, how? This chair just crumbled.
Are you kidding, Max? Is that how quickly he turned around?
So, Jonathan, you're gonna need to defend the base.
I can't.
Well then we're about to lose.
What was that?
Because this chair just crumbled under my feet.
What do you mean?
I don't know what you...
How did it crumble?
I can still fight from on the floor. Die!